Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the Esusu rent reporting and credit score tool. Esusu is a valuable tool designed to help renters bolster their credit scores by reporting their timely rent payments to the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. This service is particularly beneficial for tenants who consistently pay their rent but may lack the extensive credit history required for loans or other favorable financial opportunities. It effectively bridges the divide between regular rent payments and more traditional credit-building methods, providing a straightforward way to leverage your monthly rent towards a better credit score. The process itself is remarkably simple. After signing up with Esusu, you connect your rental payment history. The platform then collaborates directly with landlords, ensuring your rent payments are consistently reported to the credit bureaus. This seamless service requires minimal effort on your part, making it an excellent choice for renters seeking credit score improvement without the complexity of other credit-building products. A key differentiator for Esusu is its extensive integration with a wide range of property management systems, ensuring consistent and reliable reporting of your rent payments. Furthermore, Esusu offers personalized credit score tracking, allowing you to monitor the positive impact of your rent reporting in real time. A convenient mobile app provides easy access to your rent history and credit score updates directly from your phone. This tool is ideal for any renter, regardless of their current credit history, who is looking for a user-friendly method to improve their credit standing using their regular rent payments. Whether you're just starting your renting journey or have been a tenant for years, Esusu can help you establish or enhance your credit with minimal effort. Esusu stands out with its broad landlord integration, ensuring your rent payments are consistently reported. It also empowers you to monitor your credit score progress, allowing you to see the direct benefits of using the service. The accessible mobile app further simplifies tracking and management. In summary, if you aim to elevate your credit score by utilizing your rent payments, Esusu is a dependable and highly effective tool. It boasts ease of use, excellent features, and delivers tangible results. Click the links in the description to begin your journey towards a better credit score today.